Hey, so you've got your Gumroad products ready to sell, but you don't want to spend money on ads. Don't worry. I'll show you the best ways to promote your products for free and start getting buyers. First, share your product link on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Post about the benefits, show previews, and use engaging captions. Join online communities like Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord servers, or niche forums related to your product. Share your product where it's relevant, but avoid spamming. If you have an email list, send a short email announcing your product. Include a link, a brief description, and why it's useful. Even a small list can bring your first sales. Offer free content like blog posts, mini guides, videos, or tips related to your product. Include your Gumroad link so people can buy after getting value. Reach out to creators or influencers in your niche. You can exchange shoutouts, guest posts, or co-create content. It's free exposure to their audience. Make sure your Gumroad product page is attractive, good title, clear description, preview images, and a strong cover image. A polished page encourages clicks and purchases. Respond to comments, questions, and messages. Engage with your audience on social media or your blog. Trust builds sales, and it's free. So yeah, that's how you promote your Gumroad products for free. Social media, communities, email, free content, collaborations, and engagement, they all work together to get your first buyers.